Hello doers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to approve and manage upcoming supplier workflow and application using this our Dev website binder registration. So first install this module and click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to settings, go to users, and here provided this option allow validate vendor request if you want to create request. So first allow this option, and if you want to also approve vendor request, so this will allow this option. Let's save. Now go to website and now enable this option vendor request. You can easily create from the website. Now select here this individual or company. Now add here vendor name like Mia Sharma. And now add here phone number. Fill here all details. Write here email. Mobile number, city name, and if you want to attach here website link, then easy right here. Now submit this form and display here vendor request successfully created and your reference number is created RP1. So now again go to this contact, do refresh and see here Mia Sharma is created and also provided here this button. Now validate this. So easily we draft to validate and now display here is approve. You can easily approve and then after is approved. So it's Mia Sharma is now available for the purchase order. And now no any contacts and address for the Mia Sharma. And now login with this Mia Sharma. And display here now not any contact menu. So go to here and provided here is contact request. You can easily create contact request. Select here this contact name like Niyati. Niyati is a doctor and now job position doctor. Write here email. Add here phone number and mobile number, and if you want to write any notes related to this contact, then easy write here. And now submit this request and display here your created contact information for the Mia Sharma. And when you go to this contact form, go to this Mia Sharma and display here now Niyati doctor email with phone number and mobile number. And if you want to edit this contact information, then easily click on this edit button. Niyati Verma. And now change here this job position like a professor. And now save it. So display here instant change here. Name Niyati Verma, title is doctor, and job position professor. Again go to this contact form, do refresh this. And also change here Niyati Verma professor. When you open it and then display here is also tab is the contact name and job position professor, and below display here these notes. Now save it. Go to website and home page and also display here this menu one contact created for this Mia Sharma and display here as a list view. If you want to add here more contact, then use this add contact button. Now open it and again display this information in details. If you found this helpful, do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.